Today, we are going to learn some common Thai phrases that Thai people use all the time. Some are slang and some you may have heard before. I will explain the context for each one so you can start using them and better understand everyday Thai. Let's get started. เข้าใจปะเข้าใจปะเข้าใจปะ The word เข้าใจ means understand. This phrase is usually used to double-check whether the listener understands what someone has explained. It should only be used with friends or people younger than you. This is similar to English phrase. Got it? เข้าใจปะเป็นไรมากปะเป็นไรมากปะเป็นไรมากปะ This phrase is used when someone is acting or talking too much in an annoying way. It usually said playfully with close friends. However, if you say it to someone you are not close to, it can sound like you are annoyed or dissatisfied. The word เป็นไร means what's wrong, and มาก means too much. This is similar to the English phrase what's wrong with you เป็นไรมากปะถามจริงถามจริงถามจริง This phrase is used to confirm something with a friend or someone close to you. It's often used when someone says or does something unexpected, and you want to check if they are really thought it through. The word ถาม means ask, and จริง means real. This is similar to seriously in English. ถามจริงจริงเหรอจริงเหรอจริงเหรอ This phrase is used to confirm something someone said or did. It can be used with anyone, even people you don't know well. It's similar to really in English. จริงเหรอกี่โมงกี่โมงกี่โมง The word กี่ means how many, and mong is a datetime unit in Thai. Literally, it means what time. However, among younger people today, it's often used jokingly to mean what is this going to happen, or when will you actually do it, especially when something has been promised but hasn't happened yet. This is similar to when's that happening in English. กี่โมงแป๊บหนึ่งแป๊บหนึ่งแป๊บหนึ่ง This means wait a moment, and it's used very often, just like in English. Usually it means less than 2 minutes, but I recommend not expecting too much from this phrase when your friends say it. You know how friends are. It might mean a few minutes or even an hour. Is it like that in your country too? แป๊บหนึ่งเดี๋ยวนะเดี๋ยวนะเดี๋ยวนะ This is an interjection used to pause a conversation, ask for time to think, reveal something, or show surprise. It's often used when you want to be sure about what you just heard or saw. This is similar to hold on in English. เดี๋ยวนะฟังก่อนฟังก่อนฟังก่อน The word ฟัง means listen, and ก่อน means first. So ฟังก่อน literally means listen first. This phrase is used to ask someone to stop what they are doing or saying so you can explain something. It's often used in situations involving misunderstandings or when you want someone to listen carefully to your explanation. This is similar to listen to me or hear me out in English. ฟังก่อน ช่างมันเถอะ 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 This means letting something go. It used to tell yourself or others to accept what happened without holding on to it emotionally, or to stop worrying about something you can't change. It can be used with anyone in any situation. This is similar to never mind or let it go in English. ช่างมันเถอะ ไม่เป็นไร 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 This is a very common phrase used in many contexts. Compared to English, it can be used in three ways. First, to respond to an apology, such as it's okay, it's fine, or don't worry. Second, to respond to thanks, such as you're welcome, my pleasure, or no problem. Third, to let something go, like never mind. ไม่เป็นไร แล้วแต่เลย 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 แล้วแต่ means up to. Literally, it means giving someone else the power to decide. This phrase is usually used with friends or people you are close to in three situations. First, you are let someone else decide. Second, when you don't want to think or decide, sometimes sounding uninterested. Third, when you slightly upset or being sarcastic, meaning you are not happy but don't say it directly. This is similar to it's up to you. The choice is yours. You decide or suit yourself. แล้วแต่เลย เอาที่สบายใจ 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 The word เอาที่ means choose what. สบายใจ means feel comfortable. This phrase is used in two contexts. First, to help the other person feel relaxed, meaning they can do or say whatever makes them feel better. Second, it can be used sarcastically to show hidden dissatisfaction, like saying, do whatever you want. It's more often used in the second context. This is similar to whatever makes you happy. Do whatever you want, if you say so, or whatever in English. เอาที่สบายใจ This is Thai slang that started becoming popular in recent years. The first context is used when something looks disappointing, dull, or not as good as expected. For example, if you see your friend looking tired, weak, or not as energetic as usual, you might say, ทำไมดูอ่อม 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 Why do you look so In this context, is close to English phrases like you look rough or you don't look so good. The second context is used as encouragement. People often add the word yeah. Yeah, it means don't to make yeah 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 In this context, it's close to English phrases like cheer up, don't give up, or don't be discouraged. อย่าออม ทำถึง 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 The word ทำ means do, and ถึง gives the sense of reaching or fully achieving something. This slang expression is used to praise something done very well, beyond expectations, or perfectly executed. It's often used to compliment design, fashion, performances, or movies that feel complete and impressive. This is similar to nailed it in English. ทำถึง ว่าแล้ว 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 This phrase is used when something happens exactly as you predicted. It's similar to I knew it in English. It can be used alone as ว่าแล้ว or followed by a pronoun such as ผม ฉัน เรา or กู Most people often use กู because it fits the situation and tone best. However, กู is a very informal pronoun used only with close friends, and it can sound rude in other situations. กูว่าแล้ว I knew it. ดี The word ดี means good, but ดี doesn't literally mean good. This phrase is used to tell someone to be more serious or stop joking around. It's usually placed after a verb. For example, พูดดีๆนะ 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 means think carefully before speaking. And ทำดีๆดิ 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 means do it properly. So, ดีๆ is similar to be serious or do it properly in English. ดีๆ บ้าปะเนี่ย 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 The word บ้า means crazy. This phrase used to react to something unexpected or unlikely. It can express admiration or criticism depending on tone and body language. This is similar to Are you crazy in English? บ้าปะเนี่ย รับจบ 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 The word รับ means take or accept, and จบ means finish. This slang means taking responsibility or handling everything yourself to prevent a problem from escalating. It can show sacrifice, responsibility, or being assigned a task unexpectedly. This is similar to I handle it in English. รับจบ อย่าหาทำ 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 The word อย่า means don't. หา means find. ทำ means do. This slang means don't even think about doing it. It's used when you strongly disagree with someone's idea. This is similar to don't even try it in English. อย่าหาทำ เสียเวลา 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 The word เสีย means lose and เวลา means time. It literally means wasting time without getting worthwhile results. This is similar to waste of time in English. เสียเวลา มันใช่เวลาไหม 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 Man is normally used for a third person, animals, or something negative situations. ใช่ means right, and เวลา means time. ไหม functions like a question marker. This phrase is commonly used to complain or criticize someone when they are saying or do something at the wrong moment without paying attention to the situation around them. It's similar to the English phrase, it is the right time or read the room. มันใช่เวลาไหม แพ้เสียงในหัว 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 The word แพ้ means lose. เสียง means voice. ใน means inside. And หัว means head. This phrase describes doing or saying something impulsively because of a sudden thought or desire without using logic. It's like listening to your inner voice. This is similar to my inner voice one in English แพ้เสียงในหัว And finally, the last phrase for this video เกิดแต่กับกูเกิดแต่กับกูเกิดแต่กับกู The word เกิด means happen or occur แต่กับ means only to กู means me or I and again it's a very informal pronoun used only with close friends because it can sound rude in other situations. This phrase is used to complain humorously about bad luck. It's used when strange or unlucky things happen repeatedly, making you feel like it only happens to you. This is similar to "It's only happened to me" or "Why does this always happen to me" in English. เกิดแต่กับกู So, what do you think? Are there any phrases that match expression you often use in your own language? You can try using these Thai phrases with your friends. They might be surprised. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. I really appreciate it. See you again in the next video. Goodbye for now. แล้วเจอกันใหม่ สวัสดีครับ